Every single day, over $7 trillion is traded in the Forex market. Every single minute, more than $500,000 is spent on Shopify stores through dropshipping. And every hour, thousands of creators upload videos that start earning money for them before they even get their first 1,000 subscribers. This is happening right now, while most people are scrolling social media, watching memes, and saying, "I wish I could make money online." The truth is simple and a little uncomfortable. The internet is the biggest money machine ever created in human history, and most people use it only for entertainment instead of income. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how normal people are making real money online using dropshipping, Forex trading, freelancing, content creation, digital products, affiliate marketing, and more. Not theories, not motivation, real methods, real steps, and what nobody tells you about the risks, the timeline, and the mistakes. Because of the difference between people who make money online and those who don't is not intelligence. It's understanding how the game actually works. Let's start with dropshipping, because this is where many beginners enter the online world. Dropshipping is simple in concept. You create an online store. You list products that you don't own. When a customer buys from your store, you order the product from a supplier who ships it directly to the customer. You never touch the product. No warehouse, no inventory, no big startup money. Here's a real example. A supplier in China sells a posture corrector for $6. You create a Shopify store and sell it for $29.99. When someone buys, you keep the profit after ads and product cost. Now, this sounds easy, and that's why many people fail, because they think it's easy money. The real game in dropshipping is not the product. It's marketing. You are not selling a posture corrector. You are selling relief from back pain. You are selling confidence. You are selling comfort. People don't buy products. They buy solutions. The process looks like this. First, you find a problem-solving product, not random items. Things that fix pain, save time, or make life easier. Second, you build a simple store using Shopify. Third, you run ads on TikTok or Facebook showing the product in action. Fourth, you test, fail, test again, until one product starts selling. Most beginners quit after their first failed ad. But real dropshippers test 10, 15, even 20 products before finding a winner. And once you find a winning product, things change fast. One product can make $200 up to $500, even $1,000 per day if marketed correctly. But here's what no one tells you. Dropshipping is a skill. You must learn product research, ad creation, copywriting, and store design. It's not gambling. It's testing with strategy. Now let's move to something that looks even more attractive and even more dangerous. Forex trading. Remember that number from the beginning? $7 trillion traded every day. Forex is the market where people trade currencies. For example, buying euro to US dollar, pound sterling to Japanese yen, or US dollar to Japanese yen. The goal is to predict whether a currency will go up or down and make profit from the movement. This is where many people get trapped because they see screenshots of people making $500 in 1 hour. What they don't see are the months of losses before that. Forex is not a business. It's a skill-based profession. And if you enter it thinking it's quick money, you will lose. But if you treat it like learning a profession, like becoming a doctor or engineer, it can be powerful. The real path in Forex looks like this. First 2 to 3 months, you don't trade real money. You study. You learn price action, support and resistance, risk management, market structure. You practice on a demo account. You lose fake money and learn. Then, you start with small real money, maybe $50 or $100. Not to make money, but to train your psychology. Because Forex is 80% psychology and 20% strategy. The golden rule in Forex is simple. Protect your capital. If you don't lose money, you are already winning. Professional traders aim for 5 to 10% per month, not 200%. Those crazy profits you see online are gambling, not trading. Forex can pay you, but only if you respect it. Otherwise, it will take your money very fast. Now, let's talk about something safer and more beginner-friendly, freelancing. Freelancing is the fastest way to make your first dollar online because you exchange a skill for money. Skills like video editing, thumbnail design, graphic design, writing, social media management, or even simple tasks like virtual assistants. Here's how this works in real life. A YouTuber needs thumbnails. You learn Canva for 7 days. You go to Fiverr and say, "I design high CTR YouTube thumbnails." You can get your first client for $10, then $20, then $50. As you improve your skill, you increase your price. Freelancing teaches you two things: skill and communication. And these two things are the foundation of every other online method. Now imagine combining freelancing with content creation. You start a YouTube channel and documenting your journey, teaching what you learn, sharing tips. That channel grows. Now you earn from clients and YouTube ads. That's leverage. Speaking of YouTube, this is one of the most powerful long-term money machines. You don't need to show your face. You can create automation videos using stock footage, voiceovers, and scripts. Videos about finance, luxury, facts, motivation, or tutorials. One video can earn for years. This is called passive leverage. Work once, earn many times. Another powerful method is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission. For example, recommending a book, a microphone, a course, or software. When someone buys through your link, you earn. The best part? No customer service. No product creation. You simply help people choose. You can do this through YouTube videos like Best Budget Laptop for Students, or blog posts or TikTok videos. Now let's talk about digital products, where the profit margins are crazy. A digital product can be an ebook, a template, a preset, or a course. You create it once and sell forever. Imagine creating a simple PDF called Beginner's Guide to Budgeting. You sell it for $15. If 200 people buy, that's $3,000 from one file. No shipping, no cost. The internet loves digital products. There is also content clipping. This is where you take podcasts or long videos and turn them into short clips for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Many pages grow to millions of views doing this. Then they get paid through brand deals or creator funds. This requires only editing skill and consistency. Now here's the mistake most people make. They try all these methods at once. Dropshipping today, Forex tomorrow, YouTube next week, and they fail at all of them. You must pick one and go deep for 90 days. Online money rewards focus, not excitement. The first month feels like nothing is happening. The second month feels slow. The third month, small results start. After 6 months, you feel momentum. After 1 year, your life can be completely different. But only if you don't quit. Understand this clearly. Making money online is not quick money. It is skill money. You are not paid for time. You are paid for value. And value comes from solving problems. Businesses need marketing. People need knowledge. Creators need editing. Customers need products. Traders need discipline. Every online method is built on solving a problem. You don't need expensive equipment. Your phone is enough. Free tools are enough. What you need is patience and consistency. Picture this. Instead of scrolling for 3 hours daily, you spend 3 hours learning and building. That's over 1,000 hours in a year. That's enough to become very good at one thing. And when you become good, money will follow. Most people are consumers. A few become creators. And creators earn from consumers. So here's what this all comes down to. Dropshipping teaches you marketing. Forex teaches you discipline. Freelancing teaches you skills. YouTube teaches you leverage. Affiliate marketing teaches you trust. Digital products teach you scalability. All roads lead to the same place, value creation. You don't need to be special. You need to start. A year from now, you can either still be watching videos about making money online, or you can be the one making it. So pick one path. Commit for 90 days. Learn every day. Execute every day. Improve every day. Because the internet is not a place for entertainment if you use it correctly. It is a place for opportunity. And if you're serious about changing your financial future, don't just watch this and move on. Take action today. Like this video, subscribe, and start building. Your future self will thank you.